A New Era of Digitalization e-Residency in Ukraine. By Procoders. What is e-Residency? Ukraine has become a hub for those who want to start their lives as entrepreneurs. Ukraine e-Residency is a program by which individuals can become residents of countries with a lower tax rate, as long as they hold valid financial services and specific skills. Just like regular residency, prospective applicants must pass a knowledge test, provide proof of income, and pass a similar background check. The main difference is that e-Residency allows businesses to open offices in Ukraine without having a physical presence there. This effectively creates a borderless economy for entrepreneurs who prefer to operate from countries with more relaxed regulations. How does it work? The evolution of digitalization has led us to a new phase where borders are not so relevant. The world is becoming smaller and smaller, while communities are becoming increasingly global. With so many people moving around, e-Residency gives entrepreneurs a chance to establish their company in a new country without having to leave their home country. An e-Residency program is a type of corporate identity that is supported by an electronic document. It can be used to start a business in Ukraine or any country where it is an option, with no additional documents apart from the usual business registration and money transfer regulations. How to become an e-resident of Ukraine? Before then, you must go through the registration processes and have the necessary checks performed. The steps below show you how to apply for Ukraine e-Residency. All the steps can be performed remotely. 5 major benefits of e-Residency in Ukraine. Business expansion. For a startup, establishing a physical presence in another country is a vital step towards being operational in the global markets. It's a powerful tool for entrepreneurs looking to move their businesses forward into the international domain. Relaxed regulation. E-Residency allows you to run your business in Ukraine from anywhere in the world. The government also provides certain incentives to encourage such investments. For one, as an e-resident you only pay one flat tax, which is 5% of your income. Ease of doing business. Running physical businesses is hard. Ukraine, with its e-resident permit, makes it easier for entrepreneurs to manage various aspects of their business, and even hire remote developers or other professionals for their business needs. Business security. E-Residency in Ukraine comes with a unique electronic signature that helps you to securely sign contracts and documents. So, even if you are not present, your business operations remain secure. Business management. If you are not present where your business is, you want to maintain direct oversight over its operations and ensure that it is doing well. With your e-resident status in Ukraine, the government can provide you a personal English-speaking manager to act as your proxy, consult for you, and answer your questions. How much does it cost to become an e-resident of Ukraine? E-Residency Ukraine price is free. You can even sign up directly with your Google or GitHub account. It is better to apply as soon as possible. It is uncertain whether e-Residency Ukraine cost will increase later in the future. Restrictions on the types of business activities for e-residents in Ukraine. Ukraine launched its e-Residency program only last year, and it is a pilot scheme. Therefore, foreign entrepreneurs are not allowed to run all forms of business on their e-resident status. Conclusion. Digitalization is a key component of Ukraine's development and success. It offers endless opportunities for businesses of all sizes to compete with each other on the basis of technological innovation. In order to realize these potentials, it is essential for all entrepreneurs interested in tapping into the Ukrainian market to understand e-Residency program details. Contact us at Procoders to learn more about this e-Residency program in Ukraine and understand your options regarding hiring developers and other IT specialists from here. Subscribe our channel and read more about a new era of digitalization e-Residency in Ukraine at Procoders blog.